let's take prisons. Prisons are machines for torture and murder. That's what they are. As many people have said, this is not original to me, prisons do not resolve the problems that criminalization and incarceration pretend that they will resolve, right? They don't. So are there actually problems, social problems, that require resolution? Yes. Do cages resolve them? No. Does policing resolve them? No. Does criminalization resolve them? No. So, if we come together to say, there are way too many people locked up in prison and jail in the United States, these experiences are shortening their lives and destroying their spirits. What should we do? The answer, in my view, should never be, let's build a better jail. The answer is, what are the factors that have gone into making the fact of people locked in cages possible?